Check out the all-new Beats Studio Buds, true wireless, noise-canceling earphones designed for premium sound. Soft silicone ear tips in 3 sizes provide a custom fit and an acoustic seal. And with the compact in-ear design, listeners get weightless comfort for all-day use. The earbuds are sweat and water resistant, and they're portable with a slim charging case that fits easily into a pocket or purse. Beats Studio Buds feature simple one-touch pairing for Apple and Android devices and easily connect via Bluetooth. Just open the charging case with Beats Studio Buds seated inside to begin pairing. Android users can quickly set up their Beats Studio Buds right out of the box with one-touch fast pair and the Beats app for Android. With the app, you'll get access to features like built-in controls, device status, and updates for other settings to get the most out of Beats Studio Buds. The custom acoustic platform has layered drivers for outstanding stereo separation. An advanced digital processor enhances clarity and noise cancellation, and during phone calls, dual beamforming microphones target a user's voice and filter out external noise. Listeners can easily switch between listening modes: active noise canceling to continuously block outside noise, and transparency mode to hear what's going on around them. Or they can save battery life with all listening modes turned off. And they can manage music and calls with easy on-ear or voice-activated controls. The earbuds have up to 8 hours of listening time with 2 additional charges provided by its pocket-sized charging case, giving you up to 24 hours of combined playback. Fast Fuel technology provides 1 hour of playback on a quick 5-minute charge. Inside the box, users will find a USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, multi-sized ear tip options, and a warranty card for their Beats Studio Buds. True wireless noise-canceling Beats Studio Buds are made for music.